In this lesson, we will learn the letters C and H. These are the letters C and H.
C and H are two different letters, but when they are put together, they make only one sound. Ch. Can you say ch? Good. Let's do it together. Ch, ch, ch. Now let's learn some words that have CH ch sound.
Chips, ch, ch, chips. Cherries, ch, ch, cherries. Cheese, ch, ch, cheese. Now it's your turn to practice the words. Chips, chips. Cherries, cherries. Cheese, cheese. All right, it's time to chant. Here we go. Let's chant. Lunch, lunch, lunch. It's time to munch. Munch, munch, munch. It can be fun. Chips, cherries, cheese. Leave them all to me. Now let's sing again. Lunch, lunch, lunch. It's time to munch. Munch, munch, munch. It can be fun. Chips, cherries, cheese. Leave them all to me.